Hey everyone, what's up guys? You're welcome back to today's video, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you an easy way to get rid of your armpit hair or unwanted hair anywhere that you're actually experiencing unwanted hair. Okay, this is literally going to actually get rid of all of it. Okay, so if you've actually been looking for a solution to get rid of your hair painlessly, and then you don't want the hair to actually come back quickly, okay, this is an awesome treatment and an awesome solution for you guys. Okay, so you are going to be making use of turmeric. Now turmeric contains an ingredient that actually helps to reduce the growth of an hair on the skin. Okay, so that's why we're actually using turmeric today for this particular unwanted armpit hair solution. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking 1 tablespoon of my turmeric powder. Okay, so for this particular ingredient, we're actually using less. For this particular treatment today, we're actually using less treatment. Okay, so do not worry guys, because you know, all of the ingredients are very easy to find. Okay, so for the very next ingredients, we're going to be making use of tomato. Now tomato is a great ingredient for removal of hair, tightening of the pores, and cleaning of the pores. Okay, so if you're looking forward to removing unwanted hair and getting a tighter skin, try using tomato. Okay, so I'm going to be creating it. I'm going to be creating tomato. So however you want to, you know, get your tomato paste, you can actually do that. For me today, I'm just going to be creating it, so let's do that. Okay guys, so after which I've actually done that, then I would have to be mixing it all up just like this. Alright, so the very next ingredient, which is very important for this hair removal remedy, is egg. Okay, so we're gonna be using the egg white to get rid of all of the unwanted hair, and then we are going to be we're gonna be applying it on this on my skin. Okay, so continue watching, because egg white is great when it comes to, you know, tightening up your pores. Okay, since I have an egg here in this cup, I'm not going to be opening a new one. So this is it. So I've actually put in my egg white. Okay, unfortunately the camera stopped. Okay, so I don't know if you actually saw that, but let me put that again so that you don't say, oh, you didn't put the egg. So this I have is the egg white. I'm actually going to be putting just a little because I previously put in the egg white. So after putting that, then I'm going to be stirring it. So you have to give it a little time to stir, because mixing egg white plus this other ingredients takes a little time. Okay, so we'll mix and mix properly. Okay guys, so come with me, let me show you how I'm gonna be applying this onto my armpit hair. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is your painless armpit hair removal. And the good thing about this armpit hair removal is that it's literally going to delay the growth of a new hair, and it's also going to help to, you know, thin out the hair. So it is only advised that you use this at those areas in which you do not need hair anymore, okay, so that you know that when it reduces the hair, you will not be having a problem with it, just like the armpit, and if you're a woman, at your jawline, at your jaw. Okay, so I'm gonna be using my hand and I'm gonna be spreading this through my armpits. Just like that. I'll be doing the same thing to my right armpit. My armpit is actually dark, so I'm working on it. Although my body hormone is actually responsible for making my armpit dark. Alright guys, so after which you've applied this like this, you have to hold on for just a little while, okay, at least 10 minutes, you know. Now what this does is that it's actually going to, you know, help to dissolve the hair at that area, and then it's going to remove it. Now as you clean it, the hair is going to melt away, okay. Now for this particular treatment, you have to use it at least 3 times, okay, so that you get that utmost results, basically, okay. So it's not something you use once and then you expect that it's going to remove the hair when you use it once, but not as compared to if you were to use it like the 3 times, 3 days, okay, not just 3 times, 3 days, okay. So after that is done, you get something or anything to just scrape it out, or you get a towel. Just like me, I love to use my towel to clean, you know, that way it saves me a whole lot of stress. So as you clean, the hair would remove, okay. Now note that when you do it the very first day, all of the hair is not just going to come out, okay, all is not going to follow and come out. Now when you do it again the second day, that's when you would see a huge improvement. And then when you try it again the third day, that's when all of the hair, like there will be no hair left there at all, okay. So that's how I actually remove my treatment when I apply anyone. Okay guys, so for this particular one, you can keep it for that 3 days and continuously use it on your armpits, and then remove all of those hair and have a smooth, you know, hairless armpit, you know, with minimized hair. Okay, so that's it guys. If you do love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.